Our wish is to keep your baby smiling. Bring it as a gift to your baby boy, girl. They will become a little knights, princesses. Your love and companionship will be the best gift for them. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Classic design, have our own design patent, recommended for a 10 to 24 month baby, no pedals, fully enclosed wheel, avoid clamping baby's feet, with limited 135 degrees turning to avoid baby side falling. Number 2. Safety material, carbon steel frame structure makes this baby balance bike sturdy and durable. Handlebar and wheel is eco-friendly EVA material, we passed ASTM and CE standards. Number 3. Develop kids balance, with this cute bike, kids will learn how to ride, go forward and back with feet, gain confidence and happiness, good toy choice for indoor and outdoor. Number 4. Easily set up, just need 1 to 2 minutes to set up this infant bicycle, with English manual and PIC instructions, 3 years quality assurance. Number 5. Great gift choice, packed with present box, good toddler toys choice for 1-year-old boy girl, first birthday, children's day, Christmas gift. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below, click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.